Us on this Sunday, May 1st. I'm Katrina Smith. Meteorologist Eric Gage is over in the Weather Center tracking another seemingly beautiful day ahead. Eric.
That's right. A beautiful May 1st. What a great day to start out the month of May.
Sure
Temperatures
thing.
starting out in the 40s, going to the 60s today, and possibly the 70s in lower elevations. So a beautiful day today.
Get out and enjoy it.
Yes, definitely. Let's take a look right now at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Quiet conditions as usual for the past 4 days. We're looking at some clouds out to the west right now. This will continue to move throughout the day, seeing some increasing cloud cover, but still very warm temperatures starting out today. Right now it's 50 degrees. It was 30s a little bit earlier in the day. Calmer winds compared to the past couple days as well. Right now it's 50 degrees across the state. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s as well. We'll see those temperatures continue to rise heading into this afternoon, already rising into the 60s around noon. Increasing clouds throughout the evening, and we're expecting rain to return tomorrow. So this dry stretch of weather is looking to end today. Today, a high of 69, increasing clouds. We're tracking a little bit less rainfall compared to yesterday. Full forecast is coming up. Back to you.
Thank you so much.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. A beautiful start to May. Temperatures starting out in the 40s and rising into the 60s and upper 60s heading into the afternoon with some clear skies and increasing clouds throughout the afternoon. Let's take a look across New York State right now from the New York State Mesonet. We can see blue skies across the board right now. However, if you look to the western side, you can still see some clouds slowly moving in. The clouds will be coming from the west as we head into later on today. Live at Rabbit Oak Tower Cam overlooking the main street of Oneonta. We're seeing some green on the trees right now, and what that means is heading into this week, the pollen count will be high. Checking a look at our allergy report for the next few days is going to remain high for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday for the next few days, and will continue throughout the rest of the week. And you can see right here the main culprits of the pollen, and will continue until the end of the week and going into next week as well. Live Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Quiet conditions across the board. You can see right here the clouds moving in from the west. It was slowly increasing throughout the day today. Let's take a look around the clock today. Temperatures start out in the 40s, 50s by the late morning, heading to the 60s by noon, and upper 60s heading into later on this evening. Even possibility of reaching 70 with those sunny skies. Once again, a little bit less breezy compared to the past couple of days. It will be the least breezy of the sunny days. And once again, you can see sunny skies across the board, slowly increasing cloud cover by the afternoon and evening, looking at mostly cloudy skies heading into 6 o'clock. The bigger picture right now, we have a high pressure to the south that is moving out of our area right now. You can see that was causing our clear skies for the past few days. And now we're seeing some rain moving into our area. This is a long front. We can see right here a warm front moving up from the south. That's not looking to hit us right now. What is, though, is this purple occluded front, as you can see right here, moving into our area heading into tomorrow. And what that means is that we're going to see just a little bit less rain compared to what we were forecasting for the past few days. Still going to be an overall rainy day for Monday as we look ahead into our skycast. Today, though, mostly clear skies, temperatures starting out in the 40s, going into the 50s and 60s. You can see those increasing clouds heading into this evening, and will continue later on until tonight. Mostly cloudy skies by tonight as well, temperatures falling into the 50s. And then starting out Monday morning, early we can see some initial rainfall in some areas as well, but temperatures in the 50s once again. And some scattered rain showers throughout the day with some increasing possibilities, especially in higher elevations for some additional rainfall as well. But it's a little bit less compared to the past couple of days as the front has weakened, and we're looking ahead for the occluded front. And temperatures for Tuesday will continue to rise into the 50s and 60s, and then possibility of 70s once again with mostly cloudy skies with dry conditions on Tuesday as well. We can see once again some additional rainfall heading into Wednesday from the west. Today, a high of 69, clouds moving in late, a little bit breezy. However, tonight, a low of 47 and mostly cloudy skies. And tomorrow, some rain throughout the day with a high of 56 in our 7-day forecast. Looking ahead, we're looking at on and off rain showers throughout the week. Monday with some rain, dry conditions on Tuesday. Rain returns again on Wednesday. And after that, looking ahead for a dry stretch of weather, the possibility of some rain on Friday. We keep an eye on that, keep you updated throughout the week. In our trivia question, which state or national park is the biggest?
Maybe the Yosemite.
Yosemite, and the surprising thing to me, I never knew it was that big. The Adirondacks are the biggest state. Well, it's actually the only state park on that list. The rest are national parks. And if you combine Yellowstone, Everglades, and Yosemite all together, Adirondacks are still bigger, even if you include the Grand Canyon. So it's a huge park.
a large swath of land. You can
Yes.
get lost up there.
They're also 50 countries smaller than the Adirondacks too, so that's a surprising thing for me.
That is so surprising. Thank you so much for that. I'm sure you were surprised at home too, right? Come on, be there with me. All right, thank you, Eric. Well, students, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining us for another half hour of Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith. We want to get you over to the Weather Center on this first day of May. What a gorgeous day ahead. Meteorologist Eric Gage, tell us all about it.
It's going to be nice. It's going to be in the 70s, well, 60s in most areas, possibly hitting the 70s, but cloudy skies moving in later on. But this morning and early afternoon are looking to be just clear skies and sun. Let's take a look across the past couple of days going into April and what we saw for overall temperatures. Wrapping it up, saw temperatures mainly below average later on in the month. This is basically just because we had such low temperatures to start out in the morning. Like yesterday, we had temperatures starting out in the 20s. But overall, a pretty average month for April as we head into May, looking ahead towards average temperatures starting out this week. High temperatures for today, 60s in the North Country, heading down into lower elevations, hitting the upper 60s, especially New Hartford and Utica, 68 and 67. Across southern valleys, temperatures in the low to mid 60s as well, looking at temperatures 65 across the area as well. And looking at temperature trends this week, it's going to be a little bit below average, but looking ahead for the next couple of weeks ahead, temperatures will continue to rise to just average temperatures for the first month of May. But today, a high of 69 degrees. We'll have your full forecast coming up. Back over to you.
Thank you so much, Eric. If you hadn't already...
Central New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. A beautiful day is in store today. Temperatures rising into the 60s and upper 60s in some areas as well. Looking at some sunny skies turning more cloudy as we head into the afternoon, but overall a beautiful day today. Let's take a look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Looking at clear skies in our area right now and sunny skies across Utica right now. As we look across our Yorkville Battery Storm Picker 2, Doppler radar, quiet conditions across the board. And looking on our satellite, you can still see those clouds moving in from the west. If you do see clouds today, you will see them just from the west today. Around the clock, what to expect throughout the day today. Temperatures start out in the 50s, especially currently right now, rising into the 60s by noon and hitting the upper 60s heading into later on this evening. And clouds will move in later on, but winds will remain pretty much calm throughout the day. Well, a little bit breezy, a little bit less breezy compared to yesterday, however. But overall, sunny skies earlier in the morning, moving to more cloudy skies heading into the evening between 4 and 6 o'clock. Radar and satellite, we have a high pressure system to the south right now that caused our clear weather. It's moving out of our area now, and what's coming into our area for the next couple of days is going to be this front that's moving into our area. We have an occluded front, that pink right there. That is basically what it is. It's a cold front that caught up with a slower moving warm front. And that's going to bring some rainfall to our area. A little bit less rainfall than we forecasted for the past few days, but still we're expecting some rainfall for Monday. Looking ahead, temperatures starting out in the 40s and 50s, rising into the 60s this afternoon, upper 60s, especially in lower elevations. Right in Utica with 67 to 69 degrees today. Clouds will slowly move in, though, going into 9 o'clock tonight. Mostly cloudy skies will move in. We're expecting that throughout the night tonight and early morning tomorrow. We're expecting a brief period of rain throughout some areas, especially north of the Mohawk Valley and as well as the Mohawk Valley as well. And then later on in the evening, we're tracking additional rainfall. Temperatures rising into the 50s overall for the day. And looking ahead later on in the evening, once again, mostly cloudy skies. And then Tuesday will be warming back up again. Temperatures in the 60s, upper 60s in some areas, even in the 70s down in Oneida as well. But still looking at mostly cloudy skies. You can see right here on the very edge, additional rainfall heading into Wednesday. It's looking to be a little bit more heavier compared to tomorrow. Our wind gusts, we're finally seeing winds that are not super breezy. Looking at wind speeds, mainly in the Mohawk Valley, between 10 to 15 mile per hour wind gusts. Looking to last throughout the day today. Tomorrow's going to be a little bit more breezy. The higher elevations will expect to see wind gusts between 15 to 25 miles per hour. That will remain throughout Monday as conditions do calm heading into Monday night. Today, a high of 69, mostly cloudy. Clouds will move in later on. Tonight, a low of 47, mostly cloudy skies continuing. And early morning rain showers tomorrow will continue with some mostly rainy day today heading into tomorrow. Our Storm Picker 2 7-day forecast, warm today, heading into the 50s for Monday. Dry weather on Tuesday. Rain returns heavier on Wednesday and a dry stretch for Thursday. Looking at the possibility of rain showers on Friday, we'll keep you updated with that once again. And it's looking dry heading into Saturday for the Heart Run Random Walk for next weekend. And our final trivia question, how many Earths could fit inside the sun?
I honestly have no idea. We'll go with C, 130,000.
It is 1.3 million Earths.
No way.
It takes a lot of Earths to fill the sun. And actually, if you take each Earth side by side, it takes over 100 Earths to stretch from one side of the sun to the other. So it is a giant thing in the sky.
Who knew? Thank you so much, Eric. Well, members of the local community.
Forecast tonight, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Evening, a beautiful Sunday we had today for the first day of May, and unfortunately the sunny skies are coming to an end, seeing increasing clouds turn to some rain showers heading into tomorrow. Let's take a look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Picker 2 Doppler radar. Quiet conditions right now in our area. However, to the west we're seeing some rain move into our area, but thankfully, since we've had several days of extremely dry conditions in our area, it's looking like the rain will continue to evaporate before it hits the ground heading into tonight, looking at later on tonight for the expected rainfall. We'll take a look at our satellite. Increasing cloud cover after an overall sunny past 4 days. Temperatures falling into the 60s. A high for today was in the 70s in the Utica region. Winds still calming, and across the region right now, still temperatures in the upper 60s. Warm and mostly cloudy this evening, rain later on tonight and early tomorrow morning. We're expecting rainy and overcast conditions throughout the day tomorrow afternoon. Tonight, though, a low of 47, a little bit more mild compared to last night. Have your full forecast coming up. Back over to you, Syra.
Thank you, Eric. Looking ahead.
York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Happy first day of May, and what a beautiful day to start out the month of May with some sunny skies, temperatures in the 70s. Looking ahead towards tonight, though, temperatures continue to fall with some cloudy skies. Here's a look at a picture sent in from Mary. This is a sun halo, and this is the perfect conditions for this to occur. Basically, way up high in the atmosphere, these clouds are actually ice, and those ice crystals refract that sunlight, creating a nice sun halo around the sun, and this only happens when we have those high clouds with clear skies underneath. Live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking Utica. Things are looking overcast right now as we're seeing some increasing cloud cover through the area. We are following that rain coming from the west today, but right now it's looking to remain out of our area until later on tonight. We are still seeing some overcast skies moving throughout the area heading into tonight and early tomorrow morning. Scout's temperatures 68 in West Leyden, 68 in Barneveld, 68 in Mohawk. As we head across the southern valleys, temperatures in the 60s as well. 66 in Edmiston, 71 in Richfield. The Mohawk Valley, some areas saw temperatures in the 70s. 67 in West Lawrence and 67 once again in Milford and Otsego. The bigger picture right now, the high pressure system that gave us those clear skies is finally moving out of our area to the south right now. As you can see right there, and after 4 days of it, we're finally seeing some additional rainfall coming into our area heading into tomorrow. It's following a warm front that'll bring in some just lighter rainfall into our area for most of the day heading into tomorrow afternoon. This is the timing of the rain we have right now. It's a little bit updated compared to the past few days. It's a little bit less rainfall, but still looking to remain rainy. Temperatures falling into the 50s tonight. Looking at some additional rainfall early on in the morning, a quick band of rainfall, and then a break in the rain in the afternoon, followed by another band of rain later on in the afternoon around 4 o'clock. This can change by an hour or two. We'll see a break in the rain early in the afternoon, followed by that as well, and then mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the 50s, rising into the 60s and 70s heading into Tuesday as well with mostly cloudy skies. And then we're following another round of storms heading into our area, looking to remain just heavier rainfall. We do have to see the possibility of severe weather, but we're going to keep an eye on that for you. And looking till later on in the week, heading into Friday, we have a possibility. It was more sunny skies earlier on in the week, but it's starting to trend that the storm is pushing further north, so we might see some heavier rainfall heading into Friday. We'll keep an eye on that throughout the week and keep you updated. This evening, temperatures in the 60s and low 70s in some areas. Tonight, a low of 47, mostly cloudy. Rain will arrive later on. Tomorrow, widespread rain early on and then later on with a break in the rain throughout the afternoon. In our 7-day forecast, rainy tomorrow, highs in the 50s. A warmer day on Tuesday with drier weather and mostly cloudy skies. Rain returns Wednesday with some more drier conditions heading into Thursday. Keeping an eye on that rainfall for you on Friday. Over to you, Tom.
Coming up next.
Good evening, and just a quick look at exactly what that weather balloon you just saw put out for data. This is a look at the graphic we saw This is what is used by a lot of meteorologists to judge severe weather, and you can see right here, this is the temperature as the balloon went up into the atmosphere. So this was dedicated to Nick, Drake, and Gavin. So our thoughts are with the friends and family of them as well. Looking ahead, tonight temperatures are going to remain in the 50s. We're seeing some rainfall move through the area right now. So we're seeing some green across the area, but the main of the rainfall is expected to be in this area right now, moving in later on tonight. Temperatures in the 50s, winds are calm. Humidity is slowly rising as that dry air is protecting us from the early evening rain showers. Cloudy across the region, temperatures slowly falling tonight. We're expecting rain tonight, rain early tomorrow morning. Expecting a rainy and overcast day for tomorrow afternoon as well. Tonight, temperatures in the 40s. We're tracking a rainy start to the next week. Look at that forecast is coming up. Back to you, Saira.
Thank you, Eric. New tonight protest.
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Mostly cloudy skies over our area right now. We're looking at rainfall arriving a little bit in the going into later on tonight, heading into early tomorrow morning. Here's a live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Overcast skies right now. We're tracking rainfall moving into the area as we're looking ahead at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A lot of green, however, this is not rain. What is rain, though, is this rain band out here to the west. And this is mainly going to be affecting most areas of central New York heading into tonight. They're moving through our area heading into tonight as well. And so another rain band following that, moving into later on early tomorrow morning. As you can see on our satellite right now, mostly cloudy skies across the area. Around the clock tomorrow, a little bit chillier compared to today. Temperatures rising into the upper 50s for highs, especially in the Mohawk Valley, looking to remain that way for tomorrow. Wind speed still just a little bit breezy, not going to be gusty for the most part. But weather grades for tomorrow, after 4 consecutive days of sunny weather, we're looking at some rain showers in the early morning, and then we're looking at some stronger rain showers in the afternoon. We're expecting some passing brief showers. Expect some periods of dry conditions early in the afternoon. Radar and satellite, the bigger picture right now, the storm system is moving through our area. We're seeing an occluded front up north that could bring in our weather. It's mainly a warm front and a cold front following that's bringing us that weather for tomorrow, and it's going into tonight as well, bringing that widespread rainfall. The heavier rainfall will be from that cold front moving throughout the area heading into later on tomorrow evening. And here's a look at our skycast. Temperatures falling into the 50s for tonight, rising into the 50s, the upper 50s for the afternoon tomorrow. But you can see right here at 5 a.m. that first round of rain showers moving through the area, then possibly a brief period of clear skies and looking at some dry conditions. And then later on in the evening, another round of showers looking to remain a little bit rainy throughout the rest of the evening, and then skies will clear just a little bit with mostly cloudy skies throughout the afternoon. The temperatures quickly warm on Tuesday, back up in the upper 60s, even possibly reaching the 70s in the Mohawk Valley. And that will be followed on Wednesday by another round of rain, a little bit more heavier than tomorrow, but still it's looking just a little bit rainy. Tonight's low temperatures in the 40s in North Country, still rising into the 40s across some areas as well. And it could reach the low of 48 degrees in the Utica region as well. But temperatures still remaining in the 50s and upper 40s as you go across the southern elevation. Still keeping an eye on Friday. The storm system is still slowly trending north. We're keeping an eye on that. We're looking at a higher possibility of widespread rainfall heading into Friday for the rest of the week. These evening temperatures were in the 50s or the 60s and 70s. Tonight, we're expecting some mostly cloudy skies with the rain arriving later on tonight as well. And tomorrow, expect rain throughout the day, a high of 58 degrees with some breezy conditions as well in our 7-day forecast. Looking ahead, after a chilly day tomorrow, moderately chilly in the 50s, temperatures rise into the 60s on Tuesday. Rain returns Wednesday, and then a dry weather ahead on Thursday before rain returns once again heading into Friday. Over to you, Taha.
Coming up next,